So we've had a few questions from people asking what is the difference between our kit and say from something like a typical shop vac. Now this shop vac, there's nothing wrong with it. It's good. We use it ourselves in here just for clearing up dust and just general rubbish. But we're going to show you, we need a way to show you, the audience, the difference between our kit. So Ben is going to come in and help us using a meter that measures meters water gauge. We're going to switch this on, we're going to plug it in, and you'll be able to see what that meter goes up to. Then, using that same meter, we can put it onto a product that you've seen a fair bit of, the micro. This happens to be the 100. And then finally, we go on to something a little bit bigger. This is a 3 kilowatt motor setup. But what I need to make the point here is, this is just running on a domestic plug. This isn't big 400 volt or industrial stuff. A domestic plug. All of these domestic plugs. But this is what we're going to show you why you run a Freddy. So for the first test, we're going to switch on shop vac, our own shop vac. .29 domestic plug shop vac. What can we do with Freddy? So you can see the difference. The other thing is we're running 38mm hose on there, not particularly big, 51mm or 2-inch for our American friends. Now finally, secret sauce with this one. Let's switch this on. Now, with the 3 motors to spool up and get rid of all the air in this tank, it'll take a little bit longer, but you'll get a big number. That's why you buy a Freddy.